Welcome to SciTi Tech. Today I'm going to show you an interesting DIY project that is really interesting and fun with some battery-powered LEDs. These LEDs are really bright, so they could be really useful for this particular idea I have. I have an idea to use this electrical tape to wrap around these broken headphones, and I want to be able to attach this in a way to make these into a really bright headlight that you can wear on your head. It's a really interesting idea and kind of a fun idea. And anyone can do it, and it's very easy. And I'm going to use some hot glue to secure it. So let's get started. So how I'm going to start this project is I'm going to go and make a hole on each side of this battery pack to attach these little button grooves to attach into this battery pack, just like that. So let me start making the holes. I'm using my trusty pocket knife. It always seems to serve me well. And there we go. Making the holes. And there, perfect. Yes, and they fit too. Excellent. Now I'm going to go and use some hot glue to secure them in. Just like that. Perfect. Now I just need to wait to let them harden. And now a little bit more hot glue. And some more hot glue. But of course, the best glue to use is really epoxy. Super glue, yes, but epoxy works better. But I didn't have any epoxy. So now I'm going to use this electrical tape and wrap it around. And get the switch available. Perfect. And now I'm going to go and wrap the wire around, secure it into place. And there we go, just like that. Excellent. Now this is just about done. Now I'm going to go ahead and place this first LED in the proper position. Some more electrical tape. Hot glued into place. There we go, and now I'm going to start aligning each LED in a row by hot gluing them into place. Okay, now everything is all glued into place and my fingers are burning and they hurt a lot, but that's okay. I'm almost done. And there you have it, the LEDs are in line. Now I'm just going to adjust the wires so it looks much better. Add a little bit more hot glue to secure it into place. And there you have it. It is finally done. My DIY headlight made from broken headphones and some battery-powered LEDs. And now it's finally done, so now let's test it out. Ah, it works. Perfect. And now, here is the finished product. Let's go try it on. So you put it on just like this, And there it is. Goes on my head like that. Feels pretty comfortable. Fits my head perfectly. Sits on my nose bridge. So you probably see it like that on the back of my head. The battery pack. The switch is right about here. And here it is. Now let's go ahead and try it on. Let's turn it on. Oh wow. Huh, how interesting. I can see my hands perfectly. It doesn't blind me, it doesn't obscure my view at all. Sure lights up really bright. I need to figure out. There we go. That's a great headlight. Yeah, this is excellent. This really works great. Wow, this is pretty cool. Wow, it's like I have a really bright glowing orb on my forehead. Stand really close. Looks like I have a glowing crown. That's so cool. Here's what it looks like close up. It's lit. Yeah. Pretty awesome.